Module config. Supports multi-administrator mode. Each administrator can freely set up his own two-step verification. Download the Google Authenticator app, scan this QR code, get the digital verification code and enter it. Two-step verification was enabled successfully. Administrators who have successfully set up two-step verification will see this interface when they come in again. You must enter a two-step verification code to log in. Demonstrate another administrator using two-step verification. Use the Google Authenticator app on your phone to scan this QR code to get the verification code and then enter it. Check the Google Authenticator app on your phone to get the verification code and enter it again.